this is Tim from Your Six Tech. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to use your Google Chromecast with your Android phone. And this is really easy to do. Now, first you're going to need to find your device or add it. So there's two different ways that we can do that. We can scroll down from the top, and we can locate the widget for it. So let's go to the right. And I believe it's going to be right here. If I go ahead and select this, you can see my bedroom TV, my family room, Tim TV, and I can go ahead and just select my Chromecast. So maybe after we get this set up, we can find this widget and then just select it. So if I select Tim right here, I believe this is my den TV. So to get this set up, swipe up from the bottom, locate Google, and we want to go to Home, Google Home. Then on the bottom here, we want to go to Devices, and then go to Add Device, and then set it up. And then you should have the option to go ahead and mirror your screen over to your Google Chromecast. So just make sure you add it right here, and you should be good to go. And then you should be able to just select it and connect to it, and you could even mirror your display and cast your screen over to it. But hopefully this video did indeed help you out. Leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more tech videos coming up next on Your Six Tech.